Delete this curve. Isolate these curves. Arc from near to near. Select all these curves and go to Patch. Isolate this surface. Go to Duplicate Edge. Offset Multiple. Distance 0.5. Offset Count 5. Click this surface and go to Split. Select these curves and enter. Delete these vectors. Select this object and delete. Make an arc from end to end. Go to Sweep 2, first rail, second rail, and arc. Make this in the other part. Make a pipe next to the surface. Erase a long curve. Select this edge. Items 120. Once again in the other edges. Isolate these surfaces. Draw a rectangle and trim the surfaces. Make a line and copy like this. Go to Arc Blend. Click and click, enter and join. Extrude close planar curve. Make some cylinders. Copy the solid and rotate. Boolean difference, isolate this surface and draw a curve like this. Select and copy-paste. Click this vector and go to Trim. Click the surface. Create a new layer and change Object Layer. Make an offset. Isolate this polished surface and go to Copy. Point 1. Select both and duplicate border. Isolate curves. Make a line from end to end and sweep to rails. Make a join. Create an ellipsoid like this. Select all these objects and bend. First click, second click, and bend. And that's all, congratulations! You just modeled a cup. If you want to render this piece, see you next video.